What's up, guys? Mike from RattyFab here. I wanted to give you a little update about our products and things going on. We are currently out of stock of our stabilizer links. I can't thank you guys enough for all your support and purchases. Completely unexpected and caught off guard by the amount of purchases lately. So I am here welding up our next batch of 50. And those will be going to coating when I go up to Laconia this week. I will be at Laconia Harley-Davidson for the Proper Baggers show on Friday. Come stop by the booth, check it out. I will have special discount codes for anyone that stops by on all of our Harley products. So be sure to check it out. I'll have full restock soon, and I want to thank you guys again for all the support and purchases. It means a lot, and I'm just grateful for it. Thank you.